I went down to the sea. I saw a man. He could have been a man of war. Save the sun, which shore he was as pale as the moon, and on this hazy afternoon the sun went down, stood so still, didn't make a sound. I asked him who he was. He said, I'm waiting for my love. He made a vow to bind our souls. We broke his code. He said, I've seen the coastline change. This beach, it used to be a cave where we would hide, where we would sing and plan our lives. The water rose, the water fell, all the secrets that the sea would never tell. The tide went out, the tide came in. If you listened, you could hear them deep within. Please tell me, why is he here? Time's gone by so fast, I feel my ship is in the cold. I'm leaving now. It's time to go. The water rose, the water fell, all the secrets that the sea would never tell. The tide went out, the tide came in. If you listened, you could hear them deep within. A story came to me, a woman waiting by the sea, waiting for her love for many years. Now you're here, your wife. She had a child, and the sea curtain mile. She chose to go. She's buried there on that slope, and just like that, he disappeared. the sea became blue lamp tears. Time gone by, time